Hello friends, I'm Dr. Navpreet, Consultant and Head, Department of Pediatrics and Neonatology, Sohana Hospital, Mohali. And I'm glad and honored to be a part of the Sohana Hospital family for a decade now. And to tell it, I have seen this hospital grow in leaps and bounds over these last 10 years. Just a few words to highlight the facilities available in our hospital, especially the pediatric and the neonatal intensive care unit. And we have one of the biggest neonatal ICUs in the Tri-City, catering to all the high-risk babies, the extremely preterm, extremely low birth weight babies. Our NICU is level 3 NABH accredited and we follow all the safety protocols. We have a 3-door entry to our neonatal unit to minimize the risk of infections, and all the medications including the total parenteral nutrition, the medicines, the injections, they are all prepared under the laminar flow unit. We have well-trained staff and maintain a strict nurse-patient ratio of 1:1, especially in the sick babies. I am proud to announce that we have recently saved a 700-gram baby, and on the follow-up visit, the baby is doing pretty fine. The hospital has a neonatal advisory committee to establish and maintain and enforce standards for professional work in the NICU and standards of competency for doctors, nurses, and all the staff involved in the neonatal care. We are equipped to handle all high-risk pregnancies and even babies delivered outside the hospital. In short, we have a NICU on the wheels, which means that we have a transport incubator and a ventilator and a well-trained medical team to cater and to transport such sick babies to our hospital. We have prompt and easy availability to a full range of pediatric subspecialties as well, which includes pediatric surgeries, pediatric anesthesiologist, and pediatric ophthalmologist on site as well. We have the capability to perform advanced procedures like imaging and interpretation on urgent basis, which includes CT, MRI, echo, and even an in-house blood bank facility. In short or in brief, me and my team of doctors, nurses, and all the paramedics provide the highest level of TLC. By TLC, I don't mean the total leukocyte count, but I mean the tender, loving care. Thank you.
Sohana Hospital, a multi-super speciality hospital, Sector 77, Mohali.